Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make shared album on Google Photos. Here's a clear steps to make a shared album on Google. First is to open the Google Photos app. Tap the Google Photos icon. Sign in if needed. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where your photos are saved. Go to the Photos tab. At the bottom, tap Photos to browse your pictures. Select photos or videos. Long press one photo, then tap others you want to add to the shared album. Tap the plus or add icon, usually found at the top or bottom panels. Choose album. From the menu, tap album to create a new album. Name your album. Enter a title for the album. For example, Things 2025. Then tap on the check mark from the top left. Tap Share. After creating the album, tap the Share button, the three dots connected by lines. Select people to share with. You can type email addresses or select contacts directly. Copy or send the link. Tap Get Link or send via apps like Gmail, Messenger, or WhatsApp. Adjust collaboration settings. If you want others to add photos, tap on the three dots, then Sharing Settings, and enable Collaborate so they can contribute to the album. Manage sharing anytime. Tap the three dots, Options, to remove people, disable collaboration, or stop sharing. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.